for a very short presentation. As part of our Christmas celebration and then reaching out to the hospital, especially the diabetes patients, we representing original Mama Betty. Mama Betty is a YouTuber and a family life coach, and also specialized in African healthy food products. So on behalf of original Mama Betty, we are presenting this Oat Plantain Fufu, which is a food supplement for diabetic patients to the Kwai Municipal Hospital. Management of the family to distribute to the diabetes patients over here. So original Mama Betty is somebody who advocates for healthy life living, family coach specialist, and then also into African food products. So on behalf of the team here representing original Mama Betty, we present this food to management of the Recurrent Hospital, intends to be distributed to the diabetes patients of the hospital. Thank you very much.
She said something about Mama Betty. She's the YouTube name is Original Mama Betty. Original Mama Betty. When you go to the site, you see some of these dishes that she's prepared. I mean, she tends to teach us how to cook.
How to prepare?
Yes, the food, the local food, and the rest. And she's based in the UK. And then she's a Ghanaian anyway, but for now there she's based in the UK. And then she does all this. So when you go to the YouTube, you find some of these things that she does. Apart from that, she gives coaching as far as marriage issues are also concerned. So if you wouldn't mind after here, just go and subscribe to YouTube. Original Mama Betty, where you get local dishes. These local dishes that she has prepared for. And this is one of the products that she's come out with. We can find them in UK, Germany, US, all over. And then she thinks that is an Xmas package of the private government hospital for the diabetic patients. She's done this already at Kolebu. She presented this at Kolebu. I think we have those that are below 12 years, the children that are below 12 years, and then the adults as well. So today is the 10th of the private government. So we are still in the Xmas festival. So we present this on behalf of the original Mama Betty for distribution.
Our own behalf, we present this Oat Plantain Fufu to the management of the Kwai Municipal Hospital.
So thank you very much.
Organization be a original Mama Betty. Yes, YouTube. Now, oye Ghana ni UK. Now, oye nuane a wa apopin. Nti anope wa becha ye si fufuo ni ye di oats ene odie ena aye. Na unse ya ni etane mu ka say e pese mu di aduane a entetew ewo. Nti oats no eboa yen, eboa especially for mo achiche ya yen. Nti ene no ye ba becha mo. Nti mo kan ho na yenda o mase. Ade a o ya.